In this video, we're going to celebrate an important milestone for the Woodshop Nerdery YouTube channel, which is I now have 500 subscribers, and I want to thank you all who have subscribed. It has really helped me out a lot. So to celebrate the 500 subscribers, I'm going to fulfill a very common user request, which is that I do a shop tour. So let's get started. My toolbox over on the left, all of the woodworking equipment, some additional woodworking supplies here on the right, my ambient air filter, some household maintenance items as well. Here is the clamp rack behind the garbage cans, if you can see the garbage cans. This is one of the suggestions I pulled from the New Yankee Workshop garage shop episodes, which I did a video on a little while ago, which was to mount two 2x4s horizontally and then just clamp the clamps onto those. Screwed to the side of the shelf here, I have the Shopsmith double bar clamps stored. So let me back these cars out and show you how I set up this shop. As you saw based on the timer in the video, unpacking everything and setting up to make a rip cut and making that rip cut took 15 minutes. That is a minor inconvenience, but it's also not the end of the world. Stick around because after I walk you through some of the upgrades I made to the dust collector here, I'm going to go ahead and put all the tools back. I ordered an upgraded filter bag for my dust collector. It's larger and filters down to 1 micron. I don't anticipate that this upgrade will increase the airflow in my dust collection system. That being said, all the activity in the lower bag is a strong indication to me that this upgrade is allowing a lot more air to flow through the system. I want to tell you about another update I did to the dust collector. Here on the lower bag attachment point, I did add a layer of weather stripping. That's a common suggestion in the woodworking community, and I've already seen a difference here. There's no dust leaking out of here anymore, and it's also a little easier to install the bags because the extra diameter kind of grips onto the bag while you're putting the steel belt on. So real quick, let me run you through some of the numbers regarding that bag change. I did go ahead and take some before and after CFM flow rate measurements, so let's go through those now. The old Shopbox bag I took off was rated at 2.5 micron filtration efficiency. It was 24 inches tall with the 4-inch hose on the machine. I was measuring 300 cubic feet per minute. However, if I installed the 4-inch to 2.25-inch adapter to the end of the 4-inch hose, the flow rate drops to 196 cubic feet per minute. So removing the Shopbox bag and putting on the 42-inch Rockler shaker felt bag, which is rated at 1 micron, my cubic feet per minute flow rate went up by a third. But interestingly enough, when I put the 4-inch to 2¼ inch adapter on it, I got the identical flow rate measurements. So based on those numbers, upgrading the bag filter didn't make any improvement in the airflow rate, at least not while using the 4-inch to 2¼ inch reducer coupling. But hopefully what I do get out of upgrading the bag filter is a better particle filtration rate. Okay, it's time to show you how I put everything back. So there you have it. We have a 4-inch jointer, a 6-inch belt sander, a 12-inch thickness planer, a power stand, a bandsaw, and then the Shopsmith unit itself, we get a table saw, disc sander, drum sander, lathe, drill press, horizontal drill press, router, with the other attachments, biscuit joiner, and a bunch of other stuff. And packing everything away took about 12 minutes. That's not too bad either. That's it for the tour of the Workshop Nerdery Garage Workshop. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving holiday weekend. Bye.